Hey guys, what's up? Kat right here. So in this video, I'm going to be planting my pumpkin patch. I have always had a true love for pumpkin in the sense that you can go and pick your own pumpkin, you can carve the pumpkin, you can make like pumpkin bread, lots of yummy things out of the pumpkins, especially those pumpkin seeds. Man, pumpkin seeds that Josh makes, those are the bomb. He knows so many different flavors, so stick around. I'm gonna go plant my pumpkins. See, Josh is talking about our yummy pork that he's cooking, because as I said, we're having the rays over for our dinner, and those we definitely take care of a lot of that food because Josh loves it. But he's got our cart full. We're gonna go over to the pumpkin. I'm sorry, dear, which one are you talking about? He looks really good from this angle, a little crappier from the other angle, but for the most part, he looks good. Okay, there goes Josh, over to our neighbor's yard. So this is the small little area we're gonna be planting our pumpkins. It is on our neighbor Cheryl's yard, but she did say that we can use it because she will not be using it right now. So there comes Josh with the cart. Oh, look at him. Look at Josh, he doesn't look too enthusiastic. Maybe he's just a little tired. So when you're planting any plant, watering is definitely a must or you'll be killing those plants. But you can see right here, there's a small little ditch that our water comes from the irrigation that kind of just floods the whole area. We dug some small little holes there. The water's going here. We need to work on it a little bit right there, but it's so nice. Once a week, it just kind of floods. You don't have to worry about sprinklers. Just gotta make sure those ditches are in good condition.
So right now, Kat's just kind of sorting the pumpkins because we grabbed 3 kinds of pumpkins. One big fat one that might be too big for a small man like me to pick up. A medium-sized one that's just right for everyone, mama bears, papa bears, everything. And then those tiny little minis. Did we buy those little minis?
Yes, we did.
The ones that little kids can like juggle and stuff?
Yeah, and they're just small little ones. They're really cute.
So,
they're
3 kinds.
Oh!
Whoa, don't fall.
They're good for decorating. But yeah, man, last time we planted the Big Macs, do you remember those suckers?
Yeah, we took 2 of us to carry it.
Big.
So, if this works, guys, this will be exciting.
Awesome. I got all of those laid out. Now we should go dig those small little holes, and I got my hose over there that can bring around and water all these pumpkins.
Sweet.
I lost my hand shovel. I had to go look around all over, but I found it in our wonderful cart. So got the hand shovel again. Okay friends, I am all done with this pumpkin patch. That was very nice. I don't even know how many pumpkins I have. Probably about 12 would be my guess, but I'll definitely have to count those. Looks like a big patch of dirt, but there is definitely some pumpkin plants along there, so I'm very happy to get these growing. It's been probably about 2 years since I've done a garden. I'm not a professional at this. I definitely have had some good teachers, like my mom and friends and neighbors and that sort of thing, so anyway, I got a party to go prepare for. Josh is already in there doing some cleaning and the cooking, of course. Now I gotta go help him with some cleaning and kind of be his assistant with the cooking more than anything, clean up after him, which I'm happy to do. Let him do the cooking, I'll do the cleaning. So remember, work hard, play hard. We'll see you on the next project.